Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make custom hats. So previously I made a video on Town of Impostors. So when I was doing that I came across custom hats on their website, on their GitHub account. So I'm going to show you how to make custom hat today. So let me show you that first. So here you can see custom hats and they have given clear procedure to induce that hat. So we are going to use this PSD version. PSD stands for Photoshop data, and you can use PNG template, but it's kind of hard. You can edit the image but you cannot remove something from that, so it's going to be hard using PNG, but you can use that using PSD. It's very easy. And to use PSD version you need to have Photoshop installed on your PC. I have got Adobe Photoshop 7.0 and Lightroom. Any Photoshop is fine guys, you can use any of that. So here is the procedure. If you don't want to follow this video you can go through this. I will provide this link in the description. So now I'm going to download this file. So now I'm going to open this. It will automatically open using Photoshop if you have Photoshop installed on your PC. So here is the template that they have provided us. I'm going to maximize it. So I'm not that good at drawing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write my name. So it will be taken as hat, don't worry about that. So my name is Venkat and YT stands for YouTube. I think most of the YouTubers know that. So I'm going to change that color to black. So now you need to remove this guys. If you are not going to remove this template, it will be overlaid on your what we call on your image in the game. So I'm going to hide this, and now I'm going to extract this or save as pink. So that's PNG version. So I'm going to name it as my name. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to make another image using our channel name. So most of them know that's our channel name is Live the Life. Okay, let me change the color to, and let me change the size to 24, and I'm going to move it little bit center. So now I'm going to hide this image again. Now let's save as PNG. Guys, make sure to save as PNG because when you save as JPG it won't be as transparent. So make sure to go with PNG. Okay, did I save that on desktop or somewhere else? Oops. Okay, let me save again. Okay, we saved them in downloads. Let me get that from there. So here we got both the images. Okay, here you can see one of the image is Lead the Life and one is Venkat YT. So now we have made two text images that that is, one is Lead the Life, our channel name, and one is my name, Venkat YT. So now I have image, sword image, which I have scaled down to 22.5 KB size along with 212 by 212 dimension. So now I am going to induce this into that image. So here we got both the images. I'm going to maximize it. Wait. So let me. So here you have the template icon and along with sword. So now what I am going to do is, okay, I think I have to scale it little bit more because this looks huge. So let me delete this. Let me close this and let's reduce the size little bit more. I think this size could be fine. Okay, let's save it. Okay, it has been saved. Now let's open the template again. So here we got the template. Now let's bring the scale down image. Okay, let me move. Sorry. So here we got. So let's place like this. Select free transform again. So the picture is a little bit clear. Let me place. No, actually the rotation point is best. Okay, this looks good. Now let me hide this layer and save this image as sword. So now let's save this as PNG with sword name. Okay, I think we have done enough. Actually that was moved into download folders. Let's get that. So here we have the latest 3 images which we have just made. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract this Town of Impostors folder. So I have done that. Now let me open this. So here you can able to see Town of Impostor custom hats folder. If you are not able to see this, I will provide this exact name in the description, so you can copy that and you can make that yourself, because they have said that if you are not able to find the name, you can create it yourself. So here you can see that, which can be found inside of Among Us, but if you are not able to find that, you can make it yourself, not an issue. So let me copy these 3 images into this folder. Okay, we are done. Now let's copy this entire section of Town of Impostors and paste them in Among Us. So let's paste them here. Okay, we are done with it. Let me try to refresh my PC twice or thrice. Okay, it's done. So now we have done everything clearly fine. Now let me try to open the game. So it could consume time for the first time when you trying to make it as mods, so please be patient. So now if you have done everything clearly and perfectly fine, you can able to see the name Town of Imposters here. Actually I made a video about that, but I just want to tell you again. So now let's go and create one lobby. So this video is about custom hats, so let me show you that. So now let's click here. Okay, now here you can see many hats that made by someone else like us, but actually you can make them yourself if you are good at drawing and you have skills to use Photoshop. So here you can see Venkat YT, one of the hat which we made just now. Okay, let me bring our icon a little bit here. So you can see Venkat YT as hat. This is a hat, it's not the name. You can see this is the name. So now let me show you another hat which is our channel name. So this is our channel name that I made it as hat. You can see our channel name is Hat for Me Now. So now let me show you another hat that which made by us. This hat, it's a SWAT implemented into the body, so you can completely see that. So this is the way which you can able to do SWATs. And please be clear guys, if you are not following this video clearly, you may not be able to do this. So try to watch it clearly and make sure that you have got clear idea on how to do these things. And if you have Photoshop installed on your PC and you are good at Photoshop, then you can make any hat that you want. So this is it guys, and if you love to know more about Among Us content, you can subscribe to the channel guys, and I will do streams sometimes, and if you want to participate you can subscribe to the channel. And if you want to play mods with me, you can join our Discord server, link will be in the description. So that's it guys, so I will catch you up in the next video. See you everyone, bye guys.